right, guys, what are we doing here?
We're going to the aquarium.
Sea Life Kansas City is located downtown at Crown Center. That's not backwards, that's his face. Why does it look like stingrays are the vacuum cleaners of the sea?
They're the hovercrafts of the sea.
The hovercraft of the sea, there, that's better.
Oh, it's warm. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch this. Okay. Oh, it's smooth. Why is it smooth?
It's because it's a shell, honey. That one's it.
And those things are poisonous, if I remember correctly.
Now, what are those? Are those poison fish?
Lionfish.
Oh no, they're poisonous. What is that? Why is it so big?
There's a knot tying station.
I can't do that.
There's instructions.
Oh.
Oh, wait, did it? Wait, I did it?
You did pretty good. You tied a knot.
Did I do it though? Did I win?
You won.
Hammerheads are the builders of the sea.
Or they, the demolition crew of the sea. It says number one, Dad.
Dad.
No. There you go. For everybody.
You didn't have my name.
Oh, Kellen.
Did I actually see
Yes.
you?
Be sure to check out our other videos here.